This morning we left our camp near Amelie Gorge, leaving Karijini behind, and we'll make our way back out to the coast. We could have made a beeline straight out west towards Exmouth, but instead we've opted to head northwest along the Rio Tinto access road to Millstream Chichester National Park. From there it's on to the Northwest Highway at Karratha to start our journey south. The question is, will the detour be worthwhile, and in short, will Millstream be as impressive as we're hoping? We'd love you to leave a comment and tell us if you think it was worth the extra Ks.
What's in here?
Millstream. Sun's back there.
Rough road ahead.
Made it to Millstream National Park. This is Deep Reach. Swimming hole is the Fortescue River. Aboriginal people believe that there is no bottom to this pool. Looks almost more like a river, and not really a pool in a river, just a full river. Looks like a nice spot. A few people having a splash. We're going to get in and do the same, and it's going to be time for some lunch after that. The Aboriginal people believe that the Fortescue River was created by a sea serpent that smelt some Aboriginal boys eating a mulga parrot, and that was forbidden, so chased them down and found them here and swallowed them up. And before that there was no water in this area, which is, seems quite believable, because it doesn't really look like somewhere you would expect to find water out here. See from the drive in here, it's pretty barren. How you going?
We'd planned to camp at Milyana near Deep Reach Pool, but the campground didn't excite us. We also wanted to check out the view from Mount Herbert and spend sunset at Python Pool, so we decided to wing it and decide on a camp spot later. Long walk this one, 600 metres to the summit. Well, that's return actually, 300 metres to the summit. Mount Herbert, Millstream Chichester National Park. Me and Amelie just doing the walk on our own. The others have been lazy, staying in the car. Amelie's going to have a fly of the drone. See what we can see. It's getting on in the day. Heading from here to Python Pool, and then we've got to decide where we're camping for the night. We've got a few options, not sure. I haven't been super impressed with Millstream.
I really like the swimming hole today.
The swimming hole was good. What was it called? Deep Reach?
Deep Reach, yeah.
Deep Reach Pool, near the homestead there. It was a nice swimming hole. Had lunch there. But I know for some of the things I read were saying that this was as good as Karijini and it was underrated. I wouldn't say it's got anything on Karijini. It's nice, it's definitely worth a look, but it's hard to compete with Karijini and those gorges. But that said, what are you going to say, Em?
That swimming hole, Deep Reach, I would say that's close-ish to Karijini. It's better than Handrail Pool, and I don't know, maybe it's better.
I don't know, maybe the swimming part of it, but the actual gorge itself, not as good.
Not the gorge, but the swimming. I only talk about swimming.
It's all about the swimming. Some people told us that Karijini would blow us away and that the gorges along the Gibb River Road were nothing in comparison. I don't share that sentiment. Oh, there's a cool little lizard. Yeah, people said we would be blown away and that they were much better than along the Gibb River Road. They were nice, don't get me wrong, they were really nice. But so were some of the gorges along the Gibb River Road.
I swear it did.
He did. I don't know where he went to. Lizard's gone before Amelie got to take a photo.
Putting a rock on a pile of rocks that I'm calling a cairn. Put it on the berry top. How to get down. Okay, so we just me and Dad just climbed Mount
Herbert?
That was Mount Burnett or something. Herbert, and was it Seal Road in here?
Last little bit was.
I fell asleep because I was tired. And Dad and I just did this walk, and it's 600 meters return, and we had to climb up fairly steep, not that steep. So we saw a couple, like 2 or 3 lizards, and I got some photos, and I really like it. There was a really cute lizard.
Well, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little bit blowy.
Oh,
Top of Mount Herbert. Mount Herbert?
Herbert.
Top of Mount Herbert. Doesn't sound right when I say it, but it's Mount Herbert. Millstream Chichester National Park. Not a bad view at all. Probably one of the better views in the place. On our way down to Python Pool, last stop for the day. Plans are changing. We were going to stay originally at Stargazers Camp in Millstream Chichester National Park, but Stargazers is closed. Apparently it's only open in the cooler months of the year, I suppose, when there's too many people and they can't fit you all into one campground. We had a look at the campground at the homestead. We weren't really impressed. There's not that many people there, but everyone's just kind of packed in. It's not the way we want to camp. So we're looking at going back a little bit out of the national park, and we'd found another camp there. But we wanted to come down to Python Pool and Mount Herbert Lookout and sort of get the sunset or the golden hour end of the day down here, which is about 50 odd k's from where we were ending up thinking we were going to camp. So we're thinking maybe not, maybe we'll just keep on heading out towards Karratha. There is a couple of camps that we know about out that way too, so that might be the go. But for now, Python Pool is where we're headed. Meant to be quite a nice little pool, but we also don't know how much water there's going to be in there, even though it's a permanent pool. even though it is a permanent pool, it is known to get a fair bit of algae on there in the drier months, which we're very much at the end of the dry season, so we shall see. Not far to go, we nearly made our way in there. It's only a 100-metre walk or something. Here we go, getting very close. The views from up the top of the range there, absolutely amazing. Here we are, Python Pool.
Yeah, but it's actually still good because it's on. And yesterday I was facing the infantry.
No algae. It is very nice.
Hello. We're in Python Pool. Swimming in Python Pool.
Sun's nearly set. Listen to the echo.
Come on, let's do our synchronized swimming.
And then is Amelie going to jump over us?
I should like
Hey, how about if we put our feet up?
I don't know.
Like an archway. Ready?
I don't want to go in the water though.
And I'm just grabbing foot.
Put them low down and I'll swim over like this.
Well, this is where we end this episode. I'm glad we made the detour to Millstream. While it isn't as striking as Karijini, it certainly is a beautiful area worth exploring. With the beauty of hindsight, I realise now that we missed an amazing camp spot not far from Python Pool, and I'm kicking myself for that. So we're going to find somewhere to camp for the night, and we'll pick up the next episode in Karijini. Give us a like, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll see you there.
Oh, and juicy.